just tell you people, I was so happy that my white money spoke up today. I was so happy because I was telling Shay and Cross today. They were telling me I should stop carrying your matter on my head. I should stop fighting your battles. And you are not a child. I said, okay, so if people are watching everybody pick on someone, then people are not going to say anything because Anita was saying today that it's me that is giving you balls. You know, I don't understand.
No. Why you? I'm gonna leave. I'm now. What you want come do now? Move.
Is she mad? Because I've been keeping her. Doesn't mean I'm a fool. If you're intimidated, if you're jealous, let me know. I'm not fucking coming close to you.
I can't do it again. This babe was spilling her fucking shit inside my ball. Put her leg over.
I think someone might get disqualified very soon. No jokes. Every little thing fights. They're so quick to fight, so quick to attack and all that. This particular fight is quite a very serious one. They almost got physical, if not for the intervention of Benita and other nice people in the house. Because right now, not everyone is nice. People are plotting and scheming. People want some people to get disqualified. And of course, it's part of the game. So now most people are telling other people to not indulge when people are fighting. Let them fight. If they want to hit themselves, let them hit themselves. If they don't want to do that, let them stop themselves from doing that. So that is what they're trying to do. But some people don't buy the idea. They're trying to